All right, we've got your business news for you now. Today's interest rates, they are going to stay low for a while. The governor of the Bank of Canada said the overnight rate will hold at 1%. For more on this and what this means for Canadians, we're joined by Alyssa Richard, the CEO of RateHub.ca, the mortgage website. Thanks for joining us, Alyssa.
Thanks so much for having me.
What does this continued low rate mean for the average Canadian?
Well, I think that we've seen already that this sustained period of low interest rates has contributed to rising home prices. And the longer these rates stay rock bottom, we could see house prices continue to rise.
Were there any signs today as to when rates might start climbing again?
Yeah, there was an indication that it could still be as many as 2 years. And that time period for those rates to rise continues to be pushed out. So we'll have to wait and see, but it looks like it's still a long way off.
Yeah, and when rates do start to go up again, how fast could they rise?
I think that policymakers understand that they have to be quite delicate, and it will have to be gradual and over a long period of time because consumer debt levels are so high and people are in big mortgages. They don't want to, really negatively impact families' monthly payments.
Yeah, right. So if you were buying a house today, what would be a good plan for a mortgage?
I guess a couple of things, As always, make sure that you're not getting into a mortgage or a home price that's more than you can afford, and stress test your numbers. So see, in 5 years, if rates go up 2%, can I handle that and will I still be able to make my monthly payment? And if you are more concerned about rates going up in the next 2 years, then I do think opting for a 5-year fixed is a better option, and then you don't have to worry about rates going up.
How are we compared to international markets at this time?
We're still seeing interest rates low in most parts of the world, so pretty consistent.
Okay, Alyssa, thanks so much for joining us.
Yeah, thanks for having me.